at this. Like the room with the sun. Hello everyone, I'm at Wilburton right now and continuing down. Next is Bellevue downtown. But the sun is so I started filming at like 5:45 but I should be running in like 40 minutes. My friend, I only had 3 subscribers and 10 videos, and now I have 149 subscribers and over 200 videos, and it's all because of you guys. So thank you guys for all the support. I know my videos are really crappy because I am a train fan. That's why I'm trying to feature different videos. Like for example, I have bus videos, I have a traveling vlog, and yeah. And Bellevue downtown.